Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's begin with an instant option, let's say. So let's pretend that I've got problems with my Chrome. So the Chrome doesn't want to open or opens, but then it is immediately turned off. Let's tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. So here we've got this app section, and first of all, what I highly recommend to do is to tap on Force Stop, and then tap on Force Stop, and then tap on Storage Usage, and find this cache section. Tap on Clear Cache. Basically, the cache are junk files which are usually saved by your device, but they are not only not necessary for the normal usage, but too much cache can actually affect the app and prevent it from a proper working. And the Force Stop, because basically sometimes the app is opened in the background even though it is not visible, for example in the recents, and it might also interfere with the other process in which our device wants to open the app again. So that's why we Force Stop it. Right now you can try to open the app. If that won't work, then I highly recommend to again get back to this App Info, Force Stop, remove cache, and reset your device. So then press the power button and the volume up button together once, like that, and then drag this ball to this restart option. Basically, restart will, let's say, confirm all of the changes, and after that, the app should work perfectly fine again. If not, you have to consider updating the app, because sometimes older versions might interfere and they may have some problems. So to check for the updates, simply go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and make sure that you are logged in. You can check how to log in. You basically have to add your Google account to the device. You can check how to do it on our channel. And here, simply tap on Search, tap on this bar here, and enter, in my case, Chrome. Okay, find it. And as you can see, we've got this Chrome. On the right, we've got the details. As you can see, there is the update option. So simply tap on Update. Then your device will automatically download the update and also automatically apply it. So no worries, you don't have to do anything more. After that, try to open the app. And if that won't work, it means that unfortunately over saving the new version over the old version didn't work. So I highly recommend to get back to this section here. Instead of after update, you will have an additional option to uninstall the app. So I highly recommend to do that. So simply uninstall it, wait a second, you can restart your device to confirm, and then enter this section again and tap on Install, like here. Because this option should work, because your device will directly download the newest version and directly save it. So install it. So it shouldn't cause any kind of problems. And as a last resort, if that didn't work, also you can try to check for the software updates, because basically, if you've got the older version of the software, and in the meantime, the developers did the newer version of the app for the newest version of the system software, it might interfere and it might have different problems. So all you have to do is to enter the settings again. Here in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom, and you can either tap on About Device or System Update. It's totally up to you, and tap on this toggle here. And now your device will check for the updates. And if you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to download it, to install it, to update your software, not only for this one app, but it is basically much safer to have updated versions because of the security. And then try to open the app. And if not, you can again try to reinstall the app, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.